How's it going? Welcome back, my beautiful sinners, to another great and majestical, amazing video with your boy, the Savior. That's right, we keep it moist, we keep it fresh here on this channel. If you're new, which is highly likely, go down below and subscribe for fresh and amazing content. Before this video begins, I just want to mention today's new sponsor, VSDC, and I'm very thankful to have them as a sponsor. Thank you so much, VSDC. And I personally do actually use their video editing software. Now, if you don't know anything about VSDC, it is a free video editor for Windows that can be a great solution for those who can't afford expensive tools like Adobe Premiere, or those who have a low-end computers, okay? This is because VSDC doesn't require high systems, okay, to run it, which can be really, really useful, and it basically means even if you do have a high-end computer, it's all super fast and super seamless, okay, because it just runs like butter, okay? Now, I've used it most recently to create this video meme that I'm about to show you now. Let's take a look.
Computer,
Welcome to the computer system. What would you like to see?
show me space exploration. Computer,
Yes? What can I do for you?
show me the latest technologies. Computer,
Yes?
show me a bird.
Frank? You are Sweet Peaches 69? How did you get so many followers?
What can I say? Some girls are more popular than others.
Are you wearing a mink coat?
What, this whole thing? Guy gave it to me for going down on him. I've been getting a lot of gifts lately. I just got sent a whole box of peaches. Real ones. I'm eating like a goddamn islander. I'm living a pretty classy life these days. Ooh, you should come to my party. I'm gonna meet a lot of my online friends there. It's gonna be a very classy affair.
Okay, so here we are in the VSDC Video Editor. Now, I cannot recommend this video editor enough, okay, because it truly is just next level. I use it all the time for making my own videos and content and my music videos. Like I said, it's perfect for making YouTube videos, music videos, meme videos, you know, an amateur movie or a professional movie, whatever you want to do with it. It has all the tools that you need. This is really perfect for any kind of creator and especially YouTubers because it has its own export project preset for YouTube, which is absolutely insane. And I just think it's so cool. It just has so many features. And yeah, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate to you the simple process of just, you know, editing and all that kind of stuff. Go download it in the link down below, okay? I will leave a link in the description of this video, so please go download it. I would highly recommend it. It's free and it's definitely worth your time and attention, especially if you make content or you do anything online. If you do anything creative online, I would really highly recommend it. Just go download it in the link down below in the description. It truly is worth your time 100%. Okay, so simply just drag your file and drop it into the editor, okay, just like that. Here we have a simple video that I'm just going to show you how to edit using VSDC. It's very simple. So you just line up the playhead with exactly where you want it, so around about here, okay, and you just go over to edit. Now I like to use this tool, split into parts. It's very useful if you're trying to connect other videos to the video that you're actually editing. Cut out fragment, you know, all of these great unique tools. So I'm just going to click this, split into parts, okay, and then simply you just drag, click off it, and then highlight this, and you can see now that it's completely split. I don't need this anymore, so I can just press delete and off it goes. Nice and simple, okay, perfect, exactly where I want it, but I still have a little bit of footage left over. So like I said, I just want to get rid of that, so I just click on the video again and I just press split into parts, and again just click off it, and we can see by moving the playhead over here that it's now two separate videos. So now I can just delete this, and now if we drag this back to the very beginning of the video that we're trying to make, I'll just show you, we have a nice subscriber notification all ready and edited, so there is no leftover footage, and it's nice and seamless. Let's take a look. Perfect. Okay, so I want this video to pop a little bit more, okay, so I can just go over to the video effects and choose a quick style. Now I can make it a little bit more vibrant, okay, and I'm just going to use the effect equalize around 60%, okay. Now you can see that the contrast, okay, is a little bit more higher, the color is a little bit more vibrant. So now if we watch this, it automatically has adjusted and it's a lot more just stand out. Okay, so now I just want to add an audio effect that I recorded earlier. So you just simply drag the file and you go over to VSDC and I can just drop it in, okay? So I have this Mario audio file that I recorded earlier. So I just want to drag that in and place it over here. And now when I align these two together, I will have the audio and the video synchronized perfectly to how I want it. Let's take a listen.
Mamma mia! Woohoo! Woohoo!
So there you go, my sinners. That is quickly just how to use VSDC, the video editor. You can do all kinds of things with this, transitions, special effects, and you can export it, like I said, straight away to YouTube. I really do highly recommend that you use VSDC. It is truly the best video editing software that I have ever found. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go download it. The link will be in the description.